The Great Pyramid Mystery. How did they do it? For over 4,500 years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has captivated the world. It towers over the desert, a monumental testament to human skill, ambition, and mystery. Millions of stones, some weighing more than 80 tons, were moved and stacked with astonishing precision, all without modern machinery, cranes, or vehicles. How did the ancient Egyptians accomplish such an incredible feat? Were they relying on simple tools, ingenious engineering, or methods that have been lost to time? Some even speculate about hidden knowledge or theories that sound almost too incredible to believe. In this video, we will explore the most fascinating theories and evidence about how the pyramids were built, from traditional ramps and waterways to internal spiral systems and even lost techniques that may forever remain a mystery. Get ready to uncover the secrets of one of the greatest achievements in human history. Section 1. The Challenge. To understand the mystery of the pyramids, we first need to grasp the enormity of the task. The Great Pyramid of Giza contains over 2.3 million stone blocks, ranging from 2 tons to a staggering 80 tons each. Its base covers roughly 13 acres, and it rises nearly 147 meters high, taller than most modern buildings of its time. And remarkably, historians believe it was constructed in just 20 years during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu. That's an average of about 300,000 stones per year, or nearly 1,000 blocks every single day. There were no cranes, no trucks, and no steel tools, just copper chisels, wooden sledges, and the sheer manpower of thousands of workers. It's a feat so incredible that even modern engineers marvel at how the Egyptians could achieve it with the technology available at the time. This raises an obvious question: how did they do it? Was it a matter of clever engineering, extraordinary organization, or something we still don't fully understand? Section 2. The Ramp Theory. One of the oldest and most widely accepted explanations for how the pyramids were built is the ramp theory. Archaeologists suggest that the massive stone blocks were hauled up ramps made from mud brick, limestone chippings, and sand. These ramps could have been straight, running directly from the base of the pyramid to the top, or spiral ramps that wrapped around the structure as it rose higher. Some researchers even propose a combination: straight ramps for the lower levels and spirals for the upper tiers. The ramps would have allowed teams of workers to drag, roll, or pull stones into place, sometimes using wooden sledges lubricated with water to reduce friction. Ancient reliefs and discoveries at nearby quarry sites support this idea, showing workers moving large stones using sledges and ropes. However, the ramp theory is not without its challenges. Critics argue that a straight ramp would have had to stretch over a kilometer long, requiring more material than the pyramid itself. Spiral ramps might have made it difficult to turn the stones around corners. Still, despite its flaws, the ramp theory remains the most plausible explanation, a testament to the ingenuity and organization of ancient Egyptian engineers. Section 3. Water and boats. Another fascinating theory focuses on the use of water to move the massive stones. Archaeologists have found evidence of ancient canals and harbors near the Giza Plateau. Some historians suggest that the Egyptians transported limestone blocks by boat along the Nile, then floated them closer to the construction site through a network of canals. The discovery of the Wadi al-Jarf papyri, dating back over 4,500 years, provides concrete evidence of this method. These records detail how workers moved limestone from quarries to Giza using boats, carefully coordinating teams and schedules. Using water would have made transporting the heaviest stones far easier than dragging them over land alone. It also highlights the Egyptians' remarkable understanding of logistics, engineering, and natural resources, turning rivers into highways for their monumental project. Section 4. The Internal Spiral Theory. In 2005, French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin proposed a bold and innovative idea. The Great Pyramid may have been built from the inside out using internal spiral ramps. According to this theory, as each layer of the pyramid was completed, workers used a hidden spiral passage inside the structure to haul stones higher. This method would explain how enormous blocks were moved to the upper levels without massive external ramps. Houdin's team has used 3D modeling and simulations to show that structural anomalies inside the pyramid could indeed be remnants of these internal ramps. If proven true, it would demonstrate the Egyptians' ingenious engineering, allowing them to construct one of the largest buildings in human history with minimal external infrastructure. While physical evidence is still limited, the internal spiral theory provides a plausible, elegant solution to one of history's greatest construction mysteries. Section 5. Lost Technology and Wild Theories. Some researchers suggest the ancient Egyptians may have possessed advanced techniques or tools that have since been lost to history. One idea is that the Egyptians could have used a form of early concrete, molding stones on site instead of carving and transporting massive blocks. Others speculate about counterweights, levers, or pulley systems far more sophisticated than commonly imagined. Then there are the more fantastical theories. Some claim that the pyramid's precise alignment with the stars, their mathematical perfection, and sheer scale might hint at alien intervention. While these outlandish ideas are entertaining, there is no concrete evidence supporting extraterrestrial involvement. What they do highlight, however, is the incredible ingenuity and problem-solving skills of the ancient Egyptians, capable of accomplishing what even modern engineers find astonishing. Section 6. The human element. Perhaps the most remarkable part of the pyramid story isn't the stones. It's the people. Archaeologists have uncovered workers' villages near Giza, showing that tens of thousands of skilled laborers built the pyramids. These were not slaves, as once believed, but well-fed, organized, and specialized teams who lived and worked together for years. Evidence of bakeries, breweries, and medical care reveals a society focused on supporting its workforce, ensuring that the builders were healthy and productive. This extraordinary human coordination and planning was as crucial to the pyramid's construction as the stones themselves. It's a testament to the Egyptians' ability to mobilize people, manage logistics, and execute one of the greatest engineering feats in history. The pyramids are more than just stone and mortar. They are a testament to human vision, skill, and determination. Whether built with massive ramps, internal spiral passages, waterways, or techniques lost to time, the Great Pyramid remains one of humanity's greatest achievements. It reminds us that even without modern technology, humans can accomplish seemingly impossible feats through creativity, organization, and teamwork. Which theory about the pyramids do you find most convincing? Ramps, water transport, internal spirals, or lost techniques? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into ancient Egypt and the mysteries of history.